In this video, I'll show you how to see old stories on Facebook. It's going to be a full guide video. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and content like this. Head over to your Facebook, right? This is our Facebook. So you're going to click on this. Click on settings and privacy. Click on the activity log, right? Once it has opened up, for you to be able to see your old stories, you're going to click on this story activity, right? And from here, you can see story activity, nothing to show, right? So yeah, that is basically how you can do that. And if you scroll down, you're gonna see this is your story option. You're gonna see your stories activity, right? So these two, I don't think this I've basically posted any story right here on my Facebook, right? So I don't think there's any old story for me to see here on Facebook. So this is basically how you can see your old stories on Facebook. If you find this video helpful, please share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through. I'll see you all in the very next one.